I mean, Cheryl a dirty girl too. As for me, see how Jakes are going towards Rosalie. Then how am I going to treat you, my love? Then the way you run down goodie babs. Move your nasty rotten old golden age, long time center table set front from your sangway. Move your front one wheelchair. Somebody for push that over the cliff. Yeah, while the cow jump over the moon. Asians up there and still a walk and pick up garbage. I use the manpower. He's an environmentalist. Into whatever whole heap of things to talk about today. A whole heap of things. Then more somebody explain this to me. Me want somebody explain this to me. When you can see the forehead, the forehead, I want to know who opened Rosalie third eye. At that, I want to know who opened Rosalie third eye. I just ask something out there in the atmosphere. Why them open the child third eye? Is who do this, man? I can't see her the same again, you know. That girl you gonna start prophesying, you know. Is who unlock the key. Me not like where I go on your son. I don't like this. Don't open Rosalie third eye. Rosalie brighter than all of us now, you know. She can see different dimensions. I bet you Rosalie frequency higher now. Higher. A pineal gland. I saw it name? That spark, you know. It's spike, man. So me just want to know. The child never ready yet to be intellectual murder people remission. Crack and fire full of gun like take a man. Fully charge up, eager to take a man. Ratty gang, Fimi gang, give one of the money out of the gang. Kryptonite come in, do the devil fighting in the middle of the net, me make your skin grow crawl. A little youth named Babylon and him run go across the street and him come back. Take him main points, yes. You must say shit. You must say shit. You must say shit. I'm a 3 gunman in a this 45 clip my maga dance stick. You think I'm a stick, you look whatever skins to this. So yeah, it's who open the child third eye. And that I want to know. Who do this? Come glam want my girl? No? Did she be asked her who first? Him me never ask her who, second, third, or fourth. After me no business. Them no be a man, be a far. After me no business with who for second, first. Me just want to know who unlock the child third eye. And I make sure see different dimensions. Come on, man. The child get a piece of deliverance in her forehead. What's going on here? Huh? Jakes did it? I wonder why the head favor female. Jakes a walk and make things in a film image, you know. I wonder if Jakes is an idol. Mister, when I see Rosalie head and I see Jakes head, I can't make difference of the two. Ah! Ah! I can't make difference of the two. Mister, when I see Jakes head and Rosalie head, worse Rosalie in the skull cap. Me, I wonder if somebody could tell her how the peanut look. They not they forgot them being that's a giant size nut, man. Yeah. After that book, Rosalie can go buy cow and goat. You know? Yeah, and them something there. Anything with an reindeer come with an, some of them. Buffalo. Me say no. Me not tell no lie. When I see Jake Ed and Rosalie Ed, me a look on Barbar, you know. Me a look on Barbar. For sure. When I see Jake Ed and Rosalie Ed, you know, so me say Barbar favor the two of them. This was made in love. It's all of them people here sending me all of these things. I don't even know now. I see the Coco print out in the girl middle section. Me a fear wonder to myself and that. But anyways, it's who them people here send me all of them something here. One lucky G. Ambitious lifestyle. Me not travel people, you know. Wanna see me in my topics, you know. I don't know, send me all sort of fandangos. She be pastor, listen to. Then pastor not supposed to dip on pulpit now. How would the move my blood finger this? Come.
When I go on the car, you answer the people them who are called my name. Me shake my head.
This a lady Cheryl. This a lady Cheryl attack.
I'm gonna run out for me right now. I'm crying your fuck.
I mean this lady Cheryl attack. Nobody else but me, cause I'm me alone at tear down her. Lady Cheryl.
He's so chronic.
Alright, Lady Cheryl, I'm gonna address the chronic part now. My rather sit down here sir, and be chronic than I pay for what drop out of Rosalie. You can't get no chronier than that. If you could have identified chronicness, you'd have heard of GX body. Me now ask you, Lady Cheryl, a woman of your birth paper, a woman of your age paper should have never show a cocky partner. And look on the partner where you are show to now. Look at who did that done up the body. Look at who did that get done up the body. Rosalie. And you come attack. I'm supposed to heal your stomach instead of sick in your stomach, Lady Cheryl. Me now ask you. Me now ask you. Remember say me put in the mix up here. And if anybody Rosalie for 8 is me, you know. Remember it's me put in the mix up here. Remember it's a faithful servant of my program. Remember it's me send you over there go give GX, not to take him. Remember me send you over there go give him and you buy him. If anybody Rosalie for 8, Lady Cheryl is me. Remember you can't wait for me turn on my life because man stress did a beat in your bird paper. Remember all of them something. I remember. If others don't remember, I will remind them because one thing with Apicana with database firm. For true, I will remind them. So you have to remember this. Remember you could buy out me, so you buy out Nessa. Remember, so all my chronic to you and I will drop out a Rosalie, you are run down. I want that circle with your little big old man. So you think you shoot a shot, Lady Cheryl? Ask the app. So when you talk about crown, you get even a piece of broke glass, open your foot and look down in it. Look on the reflection between your beanie. Look on the reflection between your beanie. Anytime at all you talk about cranny, because you feel your whole failure. You're not parallel. You're not roommate and you're not on the same level. Talk we are reason, I'm not cussing, I'm not disrespect you. Oh, because I'm not done GX baby. Because the reason why GX don't want to press charge at him of Embassy Monday. Remember GX got Embassy Monday. By will or by struggle, that means that Nessa never have to take no lick if GX got Embassy Monday. Why you buy GX 2 over him and go and leave it? After Marcia, you fight for Rosalie did that though. Mind the mother-in-law. Mind the mother-in-law. Lord. And I am a man in this morning. You know, not bring the girl name over here. When I like create contention too much. I'm not afraid of nobody. I'm not afraid of nobody. It's just that I'm not want to go down the road in the tracing. When I leave the child alone. She's not afraid of nobody. Leave the child alone. Now bring the child name over here. When I walk and look content so till on a week. A screen recording now look, leave the child. I'm afraid of Emmy. She's not afraid of nobody. Leave the child alone. When I like me come out now to a mole ill. Me not so creative in a buy. Yeah, back to the matter at hand now. What about GX beating Rose and I play a victim? Look here, irrespective of the fact that GX took out the phone and a video Rose, which is wrong. Rose have no reason for what go down in vehicle, which is wrong. And GX shouldn't step out in vehicle, which is wrong again. You understand me? But you see, the way the two of them communicate, GX is an abuser and Rosalie is a sacrifice. She always make herself to be sacrificed. But this is some other girl who sit down on the app. I not pick up for nasty GX, you know. But I tell you something. Leave Rosalie and I be far alone. I saw them communicate. Some will communicate through body language. Some will like when one man beat with, a man not beat with him no one way. the language you understand. No care you hear we are cry victim. This is what we understand and this we are go offer. And this we understand and this we like and this we love and this we are real for. Leave the people them and them man. Leave GX and him woman. Yeah, then Nessa she no serve Rosalie more paper for she got quota instead. Then Nessa are the obia where people always talk about. With them say me I gonna make you walk non-stop. No man, Nessa is a obia. Yeah, Nessa is obia. No, your birthplace fits you. Yeah, but why GX had to video her first? Why not? You know, so the whole of we and make content. This is the thing when no fun love chat. Let me tell you something, my girl. Whether GX one video Rosalie first, second, or third, if him sign the restraining order, when Rosalie see him, she had to move. If GX see Rosalie come, if Rosalie see GX come, she have to leave. If GX come on the scene, GX have to go away, and Rosalie have to go away. So let us not say why GX had to video the child. Them a baby mother and baby father, them a nasty, dirty people. A rubbish pan we know GX a come out and literally, not metaphorically, literally. You understand me? So when you come at talk about like you want to justify why the man Rosalie that video him too. Rosalie that video him too. The fact of the matter is turn your back and make them see a long time when you say you stay bad back way. Turn your back. When you walk, go down the vehicle, go take out your phone and you know say all him have to do is put into paper, you can't come no further. Eh? So what that about him after video? Yeah, Jake's coming like a big dirty batty boy. Him coming like a big dirty batty man, yes, but it still not change the fact that she shouldn't leave. Number one, then how they meet up at the station and a Jake's carrying this on my ear. Cheryl, but me not hear say you not too trustness around Jake's stuff. Come here, girl, because you know this, you not too trustness around Jake's. That's so me ear, my love. Yeah, that's so me ear. So all of this excitement, Cheryl, you're a dirty girl too. You're a dirty girl, Cheryl, because from you see how Jakes are going towards Rosalie, then how am I going to treat you, my love? Then the way you run down goodie babs, move your nasty rotten old golden age, long time center table set front from your song way. Move your front one wheelchair, somebody for push that over the cliff. Yeah, while the cow jump over the moon. Yeah, somebody know where you talk about. Where you really and truly are come about, my baby. Can you go like you want to shoot shot and bust clappers, blow a balloon and them excitement, then no fireworks now go on between your foot. Asians up there and still a walk and pick up garbage. I use the manpower. He's an environmentalist. A year crutches remind me of the nursery rhyme from basic school. Pick up paper, lying on the ground, yeah. Yeah, a year crutches. Move from here. You can see how man are treating baby mother you still a buy body plus 2 bill house. You're putting a lot. You're putting in a lot.